how to make Opera GX look like Firefox. So let's get started.
All right, so first is that we will be using this reference right here. So this design of Mozilla Firefox, and then you have many more ones right here, but I think it's just a clean look right here, pretty much like this, but the difference is this is red. So basically, in order for you to copy the UI of Firefox as much as possible, is that you want to click here on the easy setup. In here, you could just customize it accordingly. So in here, Firefox doesn't really use red, so you can click here on show all, and then you'd have all the colors. So I think you could go for white wolf instead right here. This would be more like Firefox, or maybe this one, the orange one. So yeah, depending on what you'd want, I think these two are the closest to Firefox. And as for this one right here, I recommend that you go for light instead of dark, because this is not like Firefox, it is too bright. Or you could go auto if you'd want to. And yeah, and then you could also go for clean wallpapers. So you could just turn off the wallpaper in here, and then you'd have something like this instead of a wallpaper like this. So in this way, you'd be able to get as close to the Firefox UI. So that's it on how you could do this. Thank you for watching.